How to fix horizontal or vertical green lines on a laptop screen in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and we will learn on how to fix horizontal or vertical green lines on your laptop screen in Windows 11. So let's jump right in. First of all, you need to connect your laptop to an external monitor. If the green line appears on the external monitor as well, the problem is likely with your graphics card or its drivers. If the line doesn't appear, it's likely a hardware issue with your laptop screen. So if the green line appears on both screens, it's time to update your graphics and driver. For that, right-click on Windows Start button and select Device Manager. After that, you need to simply right-click on your graphics card. Before that, locate Display Adapter and expand that. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Now select Search automatically for drivers and Windows will look for best available driver on your system. Once the update is complete, you simply need to restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. This simple steps should help you fix the green line issue on your laptop screen. If the video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for your channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.